Change on trial is the record of a unique encounter. Very special circumstances, perhaps change itself, came together so that scientists and philosophers could meet in a no less unique setting to debate one of the most burning questions in human thought. The determinism or indeterminism of the world and of knowledge of the world. Perhaps this is the only problem that exists. Perhaps all problems will boil down sooner or later to this one unique question. Change on trial is two things. First, it's the event itself, change in the spotlight, change actually at the bar on trial. But it also refers to the content. Change proceedings as a phenomenon of nature. As we shall see very shortly, the temperature of the meeting rose during the papers and the debates. How many events like this one have been held and been the exclusive privilege of the people who took part? What wouldn't we give today for TV camera to have been present, for example, at papers given at the Salvador Congress by Schrödinger, Planck, Bohr, Born, Einstein? Their words, their gestures, their passions, their doubts live no longer in anybody's memory. Precisely a short while after the scientific revolution prompted by these thinkers, the most notable precedent for change on trial was held in New York in 1958. At that time, quantum physics certainly had plenty to say about the concepts of chance and law, about realism and about observation of the world. But that was nearly 30 years ago. In the course of this time, science has continued with its evolution and revolution, and the leading actors in these advances, Prigogine, Thom, Ludwig, Lansdberg, Margalef, Schatzman, have come today to Figueres in 1985. They bring new ideas about order and chaos, chance and law, simplicity and complexity. The stage is set to review and debate the most basic questions concerning the essence and the future of human beings. Peter Lansdberg, for his pioneering work on so many fronts of current science, statistical mechanics, biophysics, scientific thought. Günter Ludwig, for his work on foundations of quantum physics. René Thom, the creator of catastrophe theory. Evry Schatzman, for his insight work into astrophysics and cosmology. Ramón Margalef, for his contribution to new ideas in ecology and biology. And Ylya Prigogine, who promoted the concept of self-organization as an interdisciplinary paradigm of complexity and for the theory of irreversible processes. So the abstract world is represented what is too small to be perceivable, what is too large to be perceivable, and what is too complex to be perceivable. The exchange of knowledge is more difficult than the exchange of stimuli because ultimately one doesn't gain nourishment only from what one understands perfectly. This, then, is a meeting designed to steer together research and ideologies, science and beliefs around the concepts of chance. There's no doubt that Marxism contains more ideology than psychoanalysis, that psychoanalysis contains more than atomic physics, and that atomic physics more than algebraic topology. There's no doubt that all these rations of ideology have their own scientific stimuli. We could not find a better host than Salvador Dalí, who is always alert to what is going in science, nor a better setting than his home. Beneath the dome of the Theatre Museum, there will be a crossfire of stimuli of different types. Everyone has responded enthusiastically to the invitation to this meeting. Salvador Dalí, our guest speakers, and the expectant and controversial audience made for an unrepeatable atmosphere. But this time, the cameras were invited.